This is Ebby. Ebby wants me to throw that so he can go get it. But Ebby's already done this about 63 times since we got here. And Doug decided he needs to take a break and drool a little bit and clear some of that sand out of his mouth and take a little breather. Ebby, on the other hand, has a one-track doggy mind. He's only concerned with the next time I'm going to throw the shark. If you watch very carefully, you may be able to see him react when I reach for the shark. Now I'm raising the shark. And go! $64. And he will just remain frozen like that until my hand reaches for the shark. Unless I say, give it here. In which case, he'll start a fight with me over it. Okay, this is 65 and that's your limit, okay? Ebby, I'm over here. I'm here. Here, Ebby. Stop looking at the shark. Ebby. This is your last one. You understand? You don't, do you? Here we go. Oh, get it. And that shark is once again back in captivity. You think so? Well, this is my episode of Shark Week.